Hinge installation. First, install the hinge on the fixed glass and tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Place the movable glass onto the hinge installation slot. Place the hinge accessories in sequence, and use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Hinge angle adjustment. First, use an Allen wrench to loosen the screws and adjust the appropriate angle. The maximum angle for adjusting the inside and outside of the hinge is about 5 degrees. After adjustment, tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Hinge buffering adjustment. Use an Allen wrench to adjust the speed of hinge buffering. Rotate the hex wrench counterclockwise to slow down the buffering speed of the hinge. Turn the hex wrench clockwise to increase the buffering speed of the hinge.